Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how does glow-in-the-dark work, okay? So for example, what I mean by that is, have you ever had like a toy, okay? Maybe from something, you bought it from somewhere and it said on the description, glow in the dark, right? So you decide to go home, you put it in like some dark space and you see it start to glow. But how do these objects work? So how do glow-in-the-dark objects work? Well, you see, glow-in-the-dark objects can't just make energy out of nothing. They need energy. By that, glow-in-the-dark objects absorb light, okay? But how do they absorb light? Well, you see, most glow-in-the-dark objects are made from this chemical known as phosphorus, okay? You see, phosphorus can store energy, i.e. light, okay? So phosphorus can store all this energy. So what happens is basically, let's say some light hits a glow-in-the-dark object, okay? It hits it, and then on the object itself, there are all these tiny electrons, okay, that basically absorb the energy from the light, okay, moving them to a higher state of energy, okay, and they basically become more energetic, okay, they become more energetic because they absorb all that light, okay. Now let's say we cut off that light source, okay. Since we cut off that light source, the the electron isn't getting more energy, so it starts to release the energy. When that released energy is light, okay? So basically how they work, again, you put the object in light, it absorbs the light, and you put it somewhere dark, it releases the light, hence it glows, okay? Now, it can depend on the chemical, which color you want. So for example, if you want blue light or green or yellow or etc., you need different chemicals. Now, this entire process is known as phosphorization, okay, or phosphorizement, okay? And that's more or less how does a glow-in-the-dark object work. And well, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.